Crap, I lost her. Alright. Oh, okay, I see ya. Come here, pretty lady. Damn it, I missed. I got her. Good job. You ran her right into me. Alright. Yeah, I saw him briefly. Oh, he got trapped.
What is this?
I can't hit him when he's... Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Sweet. Oh, yeah, he's fighting. They're fighting over here. We're giving chase. Alright, we got her. Hey, the family's all here. Oh, poison mist. That's awesome. We want to save that too. Oh, what's coming your way? I took a chunk out of her. She's still mobile. 2 chunks out of her. She's by the car. Yep. I took another chunk out of her, though. That worked well, though. You want to go back and hide? Alright. Nice. Oh, nice. Nice. Well done. Yeah. Too bad you can't high five you. I'm gonna say that. That looked great. Person here by the car. Yep, she's on her way back towards Grandpa. Alright, I got her. I think there's one more. Yeah, me destroying these little escape things helped. Oh, one of us is fighting him. Let me get over there if I can. Damn it, couldn't get there inside. Now he already broke away. I'm pursuing though. Got him. Are you fighting them? Alright, on my way. Tag team, baby. Tag me in, coach. Look. Nice. Although it looked, from my screen, it looked like you puked on my ass. Our buddies out here, so. I'm gonna go around destroying some of these shortcuts. Oh! I see one. Damn it. Okay, she took one of those crawl space getaways. But yeah, she's in the back in that little orchard area, whatever you call it. Okay. Okay, I see ya.
Oh, you poor little thing.
Oh, right in the tits. Oh, titties. Tits. Nice. Alright, coming towards you. I see him. Got her. Oh yeah, chainsaw through the tits, dead. Yeah.